Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Chase Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a chase.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Chase, you can see the option of sign in. As we are going to get logged into our account, we will click on sign in. Here, to get logged into your online banking account of Chase Bank, first of all, you need to provide your username and password. So go in for providing the username first. Then you go in for providing the password for your online banking account on Chase Bank. Here, after you fill up both the details, you need to click on sign in where you will get logged into your online banking account of Chase Bank. Just in case if you forgot your username or password of your banking account, you need to click on the link below, that is forgot username/password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction provided so that you will be able to have your username or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to get logged into the online banking account of Chase Bank. Thank you.